student, in last video we have discussed nucleophilic SN reaction of aryl halide by taking example chlorobenzene. Okay, now in that reaction we have considered this type of reaction. Chlorobenzene react with OH minus ion, this replacing this and giving product. Okay, and we have already seen that this reaction is not take place at normal condition. Okay, why? The reason is already explained, because this bond is much stronger, therefore nucleophilics it is very difficult to break this bond first, and that's why this reaction will not take place at normal condition. But again, SN1 mechanism is not possible, SN2 is also not possible, so these are the some reaction. But under drastic condition means at high temperature, under high pressure, in presence of large amount of catalyst or large amount of reagent, then this reaction is possible. Okay, but again one thing is that if we carry out this reaction by, just consider this is plain chlorobenzene and then this treated with OH minus ion, giving this reaction product phenol, okay, and Cl minus. Again, second example, if we carry out same reaction by in presence of electron withdrawing group. Suppose this chlorobenzene here having only hydrogen, therefore what is the rate of the reaction, and this chlorobenzene having one nitro group at either ortho position or meta position, then what is the rate of the reaction? The rate of speed of the reaction whether increases or decreases. If speed is increases means the presence of nitro group, this chlorobenzene easily and readily undergoes substitution reaction. Okay. If speed decreases means, then the presence of electron withdrawing group, the reactivity of this chlorobenzene toward a nucleophilic substitution reaction is less. If speed increases, reactivity increases in nucleophilic substitution reaction. If speed decreases, reactivity also decreases. Okay, we want to prove it whether the presence of electron withdrawing group in chlorobenzene, the reactivity of chlorobenzene increases or decreases, and why. Okay, see what happened. Just consider O-nitrochlorobenzene. This is chlorobenzene and this is N. This is nitro group and this is positive charge. Okay, what happened when this nucleophile attack on this carbon atom, then this positive also carrying positive, this nitro group having positive charge, electron withdrawing nature, and then get shift here. What happened? You will get this type of structure, OH, Cl and NO minus this. Okay, carbanium, and then this negative charge get delocalized over the whole structure and you will get various resonating structure. See this. Like this, negative charge is here now. And then plus OH and Cl. After this, these are the resonance structure taking place, and after this minus Cl, then fast take place. presence of electron withdrawing group, whatever the unstable means intermediate obtained, that intermediate undergo resonance and give various structures, and due to this resonance the stability of intermediate increases. Stability increases, therefore this reaction take place very easily. Okay, so presence of nitro group, that is electron withdrawing group, at ortho position, the reactivity of chlorobenzene increases. That is the meaning. Similarly, if that group present at ortho position, again you will get various resonating structure and speed of the reaction increases. That is reactivity of the chlorobenzene ring increases toward nucleophilic substitution reaction. But see, in this structure, and suppose if we draw the resonance structure when NO2 group at para position, then what? Suppose and this is at ortho position, then what happen? Similar structure obtained. You will get various resonating structure. Now negative charge. Like this. Then this. Means in all these resonance structure, negative charge present at ortho and para position, not at meta position. Means if NO2 group is at electron withdrawing group at meta position, then there is no effect on reactivity. Means reactivity will be same, neither increases nor decreases. But if electron withdrawing group at ortho or para position, then reactivity definitely increases. Okay, so in case of chlorobenzene, if electron withdrawing group like nitro is present at ortho and meta position, then reactivity for nucleophilic substitution reaction increases. Okay, and if that same group is present at meta position, then there is no effect on reactivity. Okay, so you can clearly see this. There is not a single structure having negative charge at meta position. In case of ortho position as well as in case of para position, you will get negative charge, delocalization of negative charge. But if NO2 group at meta position, then there is no resonance occur. So that's why. So this is the effect of electron withdrawing group on the reactivity of chlorobenzene toward nucleophilic substitution reaction. The question like why electronegativity of reactivity of chlorobenzene increases in presence of electron withdrawing group. Okay, so you have to draw this structure and explain properly. So dear student, go through this video. In next class we will explain another topic. Thank you very much.